So as you can see, I'm clearly able to enter the specific things I'm looking for in my hotel survey. A hotel with similar characteristics, such as price range, location, and availability, is then can later be chosen. This information is then displayed to me before booking so I can ensure that I'm getting what I want. Therefore, the first task is pass. The hotel information for each hotel and room type is also accurate. I double check this with the hotel staff, so thus test 2 is pass. Finally, I tested this application with 3 of my friends who are going to be traveling to these hotels over this summer. They used my project to find the rooms that they wanted and booked accordingly. As for further extensions, I would like to add functionality that allows a user to book a room directly to this website. Doing so would mean that there would be no contact between the hotel and the customer. So between like a phone call or through another website, it would not be necessary. I could also utilize a priori algorithm that learns what previous hotel guests were looking for, and as a result, what rooms they booked. This information could then make a better room recommendation. Doing so, however, requires making a data set, which is very difficult and very time consuming task. I would need to see if such an algorithm would offer results good enough to justify doing this, as it would take a lot of time. So now we look at my coding. This is my index.html. Um, so here we use Bootstrap, a font site to help change the font of the survey to make it nice and clean. Here we go through to displaying the survey and the questions where user can input. We use Bootstrap here at the bottom. Yeah, so then we go to the app.py, which is our roots, and this is where when user inputs data, let's say for example the price range or the type of food, if it's a la carte. This would all be done through my app.py, which routes the information to give a better recommendation for which hotel is fit for the customer. So now I'm going to show you here in the hotel.py, make class of customer, class of room, basically set the rooms to a price, self.price, called assign variables. Here we define a function to match the customer to the room, and if the room is still, it checks to see if it's available and at a specific location. Here we use comparative statements to compare the user input for the variables, such as, for example, price range. If it's 400 or more, return a specific hotel. Also following when it says a la carte, to go to another specific hotel, and so on. Yeah, so here we customer dot name, the budget of for the customer, the rooms, the number of nights. Um, yeah.